We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the stocking stuffers for adults. 18-in-1 Snowflake Multi-Tool and Super Universal Socket Tool Gift Set for Men, Dad and Him by Aniar. If you have this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description. Using it helps support the channel. This tool set is designed as a practical and thoughtful gift, particularly for men, dads, and anyone who appreciates gadgets or likes to be prepared for small repairs and quick fixes. The package includes two main components, the 18-in-1 Snowflake Multi-Tool and the Super Universal Socket, both crafted from durable chromium vanadium steel. The Snowflake tool is compact and shaped like a snowflake, which makes it visually appealing and seasonally appropriate, especially as a stocking stuffer or holiday gift. The Universal Socket is engineered to grip a wide range of fasteners, from standard nuts and bolts to irregular shapes, making it a versatile addition to any toolbox or junk drawer. One of the standout features of this set is its portability. The Snowflake Multi-Tool is small enough to fit on a keychain, in a pocket, or in a motorcycle bag, ensuring that it is always within reach when needed. Users consistently highlight the convenience of having so many functions in such a compact form. The Snowflake tool offers 18 different functions, including various screwdrivers, hex wrenches, a bottle opener, a can opener, and more. This range of tools allows users to tackle a variety of everyday tasks, from tightening screws and opening packages to making quick adjustments on bikes or skis. The Universal Socket, meanwhile, is designed to adjust automatically to grip most nuts, bolts, and fasteners between 7mm and 19mm, including wing nuts, broken or stripped nuts, and even eye bolts. This adaptability makes it suitable for both home and professional use, and it can be attached to a power drill using the included 3/8-inch adapter. Users appreciate the build quality of both tools. The chromium vanadium steel construction ensures durability and resistance to wear, even with frequent use. The tools feel sturdy in hand, and the workmanship is consistently praised in customer reviews. The Snowflake Multi-Tool, in particular, is noted for its solid feel and the precision of its cutouts, which allow each function to be used effectively without compromising the integrity of the tool. The Universal Socket, with its 54 individual steel pins, is tough enough to handle a variety of tasks and is especially useful when dealing with fasteners that are worn or have irregular shapes. As a gift, this set receives high marks for its novelty and practicality. Many users mention giving it as a present to family members, friends, or coworkers, especially during the holiday season. It is frequently described as a great stocking stuffer, a fun white elephant gift, or a thoughtful addition to a grab bag. The unique snowflake design adds a touch of whimsy, making it a conversation starter as well as a functional tool. Gift wrapping is included, which adds to the appeal for those looking for a ready-to-give present. In terms of usability, the Snowflake Multi-Tool is praised for its ease of use and the convenience of having multiple tools in one compact device. It is ideal for quick fixes and minor repairs, particularly when a full toolbox is not available. Users report carrying it in their cars, motorcycle bags, or even on their keychains, finding it useful in a variety of situations. The Universal Socket is similarly lauded for its ability to handle a range of fasteners without the need to switch between different sockets or wrenches. It is especially helpful for tasks where the size or shape of the fastener is unknown or irregular, saving time and effort during repairs. However, there are some limitations to consider. While the Snowflake Multi-Tool offers a wide range of functions, it is not intended to replace specialized tools for heavy-duty or precision work. The compact size, while convenient, means that it may not provide the same leverage or torque as full-size tools. Some users note that the tool is best suited for light to moderate tasks, such as tightening screws, opening bottles, or making quick adjustments. Similarly, the Universal Socket, while versatile, may not fit into tight spaces where a traditional socket or wrench would be more appropriate. It is designed for general use rather than specialized applications, and users should be aware of its limitations when tackling more demanding projects. Another consideration is the novelty factor. While many users enjoy the unique snowflake design, some may find it less practical than more traditional multi-tools, especially if aesthetics are less important than functionality. The snowflake shape, while eye-catching, can make it slightly awkward to use in certain situations, particularly when trying to apply significant force or reach into tight spaces. That said, the majority of users find the design both fun and functional, appreciating the blend of style and utility. Shipping and packaging are frequently mentioned in reviews, with users noting that the product arrives quickly and is well packaged for gift giving. The inclusion of gift wrap is a nice touch, making the set an easy and attractive option for last-minute gifts. Customer service from the manufacturer, NER, is also highlighted in some reviews, with users reporting prompt responses to inquiries and a willingness to address any issues that arise. The overall impression from users is highly positive, with most reviewers giving the set high marks for value, quality, and versatility. The set is particularly well suited for individuals who enjoy gadgets, DIY projects, or simply being prepared for everyday tasks. It is also a popular choice for those who have everything, offering a unique and useful addition to any collection of tools or gadgets. The price point is considered reasonable given the quality and range of functions provided, and the set's durability ensures that it will provide long-lasting utility. In summary, the stocking stuffers for adults, 18-in-1 Snowflake multi-tool and super universal socket tool gift set by NER is a well-designed, practical, and visually appealing gift option for anyone who appreciates handy gadgets. Its compact size, sturdy construction, and wide range of functions make it a versatile tool for everyday use, while its unique design and gift-ready packaging add to its appeal as a present for holidays, birthdays, or special occasions. While it may not replace specialized tools for heavy-duty tasks, it excels as a convenient and reliable option for quick fixes and minor repairs. Users consistently recommend it as a stocking stuffer, grab bag gift, or thoughtful present for men, dads, and gadget enthusiasts of all ages. If you are considering this set as a gift or for your own use, it is worth noting the overwhelmingly positive feedback from users who appreciate its portability, durability, and versatility. The combination of the Snowflake multi-tool and the universal socket ensures that you are prepared for a wide range of tasks, whether at home, on the road, or outdoors. The product link is in the description. Please use it to support the channel. And if you have experience with this tool set, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.